Hi students, today we're going to be making ornaments using copper plating. For this, you're going to make an ornament by plating some copper out onto another metal. It's going to be galvanized sheet metal that I'm using. I have this galvanized sheet metal cut in 2 by 2 inch squares. And for this experiment, you're going to need a 2 by 2 inch square of galvanized sheet metal with a hole drilled in one of the corners. You're going to need masking tape, 0.1 molar copper sulfate, a utility knife, a pencil, and an empty glass jar. So the first thing we're going to do, according to the directions, it says polish both sides of the metal with the steel wool. Oh, and I forgot steel wool. So I'm going to polish both sides with the steel wool. And you want to scrub it pretty good. So I'm going to take the other side and do the same. And then I'm going to do the other one. Then you're going to cover both sides with masking tape. So I'm covering it like this. There's a hole drilled on one end. And then after you do that, you're going to take a pencil and draw a Christmas design. So for one, I drew a Christmas tree. And the second one, I'll draw a wreath. And there you go. I tried to make it as simple as I could. And the next step, cut out the design to the metal surface with a utility knife. So I'm going to cut around, and this is the hard part, because you're cutting onto the masking tape. Trying to do the best job I can do. It's a little bit hard because this is a little bit of a intricate design. And now I'm going to do the Christmas tree. Not sure how good this is going to come out, but we'll see. And then you're going to take your forceps and you're going to dip the metal into the copper sulfate solution. This is the distilled water for rinsing. And I'm dipping it in. And I'll let it sit for a few seconds. And then I pull it out. And I'm going to rinse it in the water. Distilled water. And there you have it. When I remove the excess tape, I can get the tape off. You have a Christmas tree. And you can hang this on your tree. Let's try the wreath. And see the wreath design? And you see that the copper has indeed plated on the zinc, the galvanized zinc sheet metal. And that's our lesson for the day. Thank you, kids. Hope you enjoyed it.